for Toddler Time Online Edition. I'm the Youth Services Manager at the Morton Public Library, and we've had some technical issues today, but I'm hoping that this will still get out and I'll be able to have story time with all of you today. There's no music, but let's go ahead and still sing Oh Hey, Oh Hi, Hello. Let's go ahead and wave. In the great state of Ohio, from Cincinnati to Toledo, they never simply say hello. They sing oh hey, oh hi, hello, oh hey, oh hi, hello. Oh hey, oh hi, hello. Oh hey, oh hi, oh hey, oh hi, hello. When they're in the library, they sing it very quietly. Let's whisper and sing. Oh hey, oh hi, hello. Oh hey, oh hi, hello. Shh. Oh hey, oh hi, oh hey, oh hi, hello. Everybody proud. They sing together very loud. Let's sing real loud. Oh hey, oh hi, hello. Oh hey, oh hi, hello. Oh hey, oh hi, oh hey, oh hi, hello. When they're sad and teary-eyed, they'll sing it even as they cry. Let's pretend to cry and sing oh hey, oh hi, hello. Oh hey, oh hi, hello. Oh hey, oh hi, oh hey, oh hi, hello. Sure, they'll sing it when they're sad, but they'll even sing it when they're mad. Give me your best mad bass. Oh hey, oh hi, hello. Oh hey, oh hi, hello. Oh hey, oh hi, oh hey, oh hi, hello. Underwater in the swimming pool, it sounds very unusual. Can you make it sound like you're under the water in a pool? Whenever there's a big full moon, they tend to sing it out of tune. Plug your ears. Oh hey, oh hi, hello. Oh hey, oh hi, hello. Oh hey, oh hi, oh hey, oh hi, hello. Oh hey, oh hi, hello. Oh hey, oh hi, hello. Oh hey, oh hi, oh hey, oh hi, hello. Welcome. All right. Well, hello everybody. I'm Miss Emma, Youth Services Manager at the Morton Public Library. If you're just tuning in, welcome to Toddler Time. Can you touch your nose? Perfect. Well, hello everybody. Can you touch your nose? Touch your nose. Touch your nose. Well, hello everybody. Can you touch your nose? Touch your nose. Well, hello everybody. Can you touch your toes? Touch your toes. Touch your toes. Well, hello everybody. Can you touch your toes? Touch your toes. Well, hello everybody. Can you clap your hands? Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Well, hello everybody. Can you clap your hands? Clap your hands. Well, hello everybody. Can you stomp your feet? Stomp your feet. Stomp your feet. Well, hello everybody. Can you stomp your feet? Stomp your feet. Fantastic. All right, let's go ahead and clap along with each other for bread and butter hellos. Are you ready? Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as loud as we can. Hello! Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as quiet as we can. Hello! Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as fast as we can. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as slow as we can. Hello. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say hello as high as we can. Hello. talking about feelings, and so we're still talking about feelings today. We've talked about big feelings like being worried, and we've talked about big feelings like being angry, but today we're going to talk about another big feeling, and in fact, it's my favorite big feeling to feel. We're going to talk about feeling happy. Happy. So let's go ahead and we'll do if you're happy and you know it. Let me find my happy face. There it is. It's got a big smile. That's a great way to tell that someone's happy. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Alright. Do you know what that feeling is? Scrunched in eyebrows, frowning face. That's right, it's angry. Alright, let's go. If you're angry, you know it, let's stomp our feet. If you're angry and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're angry and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're angry and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're angry and you know it, stomp your feet. Which one is this? With concerned eyebrows, kind of tilty eyebrows, and a frowning face. Sad. Let's wipe our tears. If you're sad and you know it, wipe your tears. If you're sad and you know it, wipe your tears. If you're sad and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're sad and you know it, wipe your tears. What's our last one? Scared. Let's cover our eyes for being scared. If you're scared and you know it, cover your eyes. If you're scared and you know it, cover your eyes. If you're scared and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're scared and you know it, cover your eyes. But let's go ahead and finish up with happy. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Fantastic! Like I said, our books today are about being happy. Our first one is called Taking a Bath with the Dog and Other Things That Make Me Happy, written and illustrated by Scott Mention. Oh no! She doesn't look very happy today, does she? What do you think it is that she's feeling? I think maybe she's feeling sad because she has a frown and kind of tilted eyebrow, and there are tears coming from her eyes. Her mom says, "I miss your smile today, Sweet Pea. What would make..." I don't know. Sometimes when I'm sad, I don't know what will make me happy either. What makes you happy? She's asking her dog, and her dog says, taking a bath. That sounds kind of silly to me because I don't know about your dog friends, but my dog, Penny, she does not like taking a bath. What makes you happy? And he says, counting. Can we count to 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Makes you happy. Running around. What makes you happy? Shoes. Look at all those shoes. I think they're all different. What makes you happy? Playing with my hair. What makes you happy? Digging. Can you tell what kind of animal that is? I think it's a mole. Moles like to dig. What makes you happy? stripes. He's a very stripy dressed person. What makes you happy? Sleeping upside down. Do you know what animal this is? That is a sleeping upside down animal? That's right, it's a bat. What makes you happy? Smiling. Friends, did you know that sometimes if you're feeling kind of down and you start smiling, it can even make you feel happy just by doing the smiling? Kind of crazy. She's smiling too now. Sweet Pea, you're smiling. Did you find out what makes you happy? Yes! I'm happy when I pickle my baby brother, jump rope, slurp spaghetti, look at my reflection, bake cookies with faces, ride my bike, dance with my shadow, play dress up, chew peas one at a time, make a wish, sit in my dad's chair, blow bubbles, stay up late, paint on eggs, drink tea with grandma, play drums, make faces, hold my breath underwater, pretend I'm a monster, swim at night, stick finger puppets on my toes, sing, lick sprinkles off of ice cream, and I'm happy when I'm taking a bath with the dog. Mom, you're smiling. You must be happy too. The end. Those are a lot of fun things that could make you happy, aren't they? Remember some of those things that make you happy when you do them, because they might help you feel better if you ever have a day where you're feeling happy. My next book is kind of fun because I'm going to sing this song. This is the book Happy by Pharrell Williams, and it's the lyrics to his song. Do you know the song Happy? Maybe you can sing it along with me. It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy, clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy, clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy, clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy, clap along if you feel like that's what you wanna do. Look at all those faces. They're so happy, aren't they? Here comes bad news, talking this and that. Well, give me all you got and don't hold me back. Well, I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy, clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy, clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy, clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy, clap along if you feel like that's what you wanna do. Happy, bring me down, can't nothing. Happy, bring me down, my level's too high. Happy, bring me down, can't nothing. Happy, bring me down. The end. Did you know that one? To sing along with it? It's a song that always helps me feel happy. do our special song to finish up. Remember, this month our song has some motions we can do to help us calm down if we aren't feeling happy. All right, let's make ourselves a big sea star. Great. Now a little cuddle clam, and make our face a puffer fish. Can you do it? Great job. Let's go ahead and sing. Are you ready to do the motions with me too? A big sea star, a big sea star, a little cuddle clam, and a big sea star, a big sea star, a big sea star, a little cuddle clam, and a big sea star, a puffer fish, a puffer fish, a little cuddle clam, and a big sea star, a puffer fish, a puffer fish, a little cuddle clam, and a big sea star. Fantastic. Let's go ahead and have our bubbles. In our book, she said that bubbles make her happy. Friends, bubbles help make me happy too, especially when I can share them with you. Here's our bubbles. They smell like grape, but you can also pretend they smell like something else that makes you happy. I like apples. Eating an apple makes me happy. Or a chocolate chip cookie. That'd be a funny thing for a bubble to smell like. All right, here you go. Here are some bubbles. Should we have some more? Let's do one more round of bubbles for you too. Oh, that bubble hit my nose. It's so silly. Let's go ahead and do our bread and butter goodbye. Can you clap along with me? Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say goodbye as loud as we can. Goodbye! Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say goodbye as quiet as we can. Goodbye. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say goodbye as fast as we can. Goodbye. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say goodbye as slowly as we can. Take a deep breath. Goodbye. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say goodbye as high as we can. Goodbye. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say goodbye as low as we can. Goodbye. Bread and butter, marmalade and jam. Let's say goodbye as nicely as we can. Goodbye, goodbye friends. Thank you so much for joining me for Toddler Time. I hope to see you again next week, Friday at 10 a.m. Goodbye.